Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Now, for some reason, some people don't sign in with a password into Windows. I always do, always have done. But I know some people don't have this option and they want this option. In Windows 11, they don't make it always that easy to know how to sign in, especially if you're new to computers. So let me show you how. So you're going to go down to your search bar and you're going to go to Settings, type in Settings. On the left-hand side, you're going to see Accounts. Click on Accounts. And when you scroll down, you'll see sign-in options. But before you get to that, just in case you don't see password under this in a second, the password is just there. If you don't see this, make sure use my sign-in info to automatically finish setting up after an update is switched off. I don't know how, but it can sign in that way and it kind of overrides the password sometimes for some people. So just in case it doesn't show this. So on the password option now, I'm using a fresh account so I can show you this as well. You go to add and you can create a password right in there, confirm the password, even put a hint if you want to on there, and then you'll have a password set for when you sign into Windows. Now, do bear in mind this is use a password to sign into Windows, apps and services to make sure you use a strong password and remember the password, of course, as you always would do anyway. None of this 1, 2, 3, 4 or password. Anyway, hope that helps you sometimes, sometimes in some way. You know what I mean. Anyway, take care.